Good morning, traders. It's Monday, July 6th at 4:23 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got DRAM and we've got MRVL. So let's see what's going on here. Largest trades in the last 30 days. June 18th here. We've got massive prints, and then we've got this little doji at the top, and then we've pulled back through these additional prints here, and we got a nice 345K print on the 2nd. And it seems that that's holding. We're going to push up against the 4 and 8 exponential moving average in through that. So if we start closing strong above this, then potentially there's a move up to these higher prints around $77, $80. So let's map this out on the intraday. Without a bias, we'll go long and short at specific levels. So we're going to be bullish above 66.06. Let's get above this 500K print. 66.83 is another print. And then 67.46 and 50. That's almost 5 million there. And then we've got 67.69, which is this cam. 68.29 is 500K and 68.61 is R2. Then we've got 70, 78, 72.50, 75, 75, 47 is R3. So we get above this, we've got some nice pockets to the upside. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 64. Let's get below this. You can see we have this consolidation. We've got a double pivot in cam. So let's make sure this is resistance here. Coming up and then turning over 64, target 62.52, 61.89, and 76. This might be a little bit tough here. This is the post-market, and then we had gapped up. So we would come back and test my 200 exponential, 200 simple, double pivot, and cam 50 simple. So this is really tight here. So you can grab that to there. Just be careful. Below this, we've got 61.26. 60.26 is that 345K. We mentioned 60, 59.37, 58.74. You can see how the downside's a little bit tougher. 57.77, 56.86, 54.90, 53.57. And well, actually I stopped at 54.90 here. The ATR on this one is about $6.45. So just be wary of that. You don't want to expect a wild move on a stock that normally doesn't do that. So moving on to MRVL. Okay, so MRVL's got a lot of prints here. You got a 1.2 million, 3.4 million here at the top, 1.6. Largest prints in the last 30 days here. So June 10th, inverted hammer, and we've got a print. We moved up, and look at the high of this one, right up here around 329, 1.2 million. This pulled back through the prints. We upthrusted here, increasing volume back, and then we've got these prints on Friday here at about 258. And so at the bottom of this, you can see the low here was pretty much the close, and then we can probably come up, test these prints, the 4, potentially the 8 exponential moving average. If we break below, we can maybe come down to this 50 simple moving average on the higher time frame. So let's go ahead and map this one out. We're going to be bullish above 256. Let's get above here. This one has an ATR of about $31, so it can be a little bit wild. That's a 200 exponential, 200 simple sitting right there. So 256, you want this to be a support. Right now, this is resistance. You can see we came up, tagged the 200 exponential, and moved back. So let's make sure we're above that. Target 258.37, 265.24 is 815K, 266.05, 67.76 right there, 272.05, 1.6 million, 277.75, 279.75. So we're getting through all of these prints. You can see that. Then we've got 279.75, mentioned that, 282.50, 285.02 is 700K, and then 289.54 is 723K. That will stop there. All right, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, leave some comments in the comment section below, and we'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Happy trading, everyone. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.